Hey guys, Pevin here, and today I want to talk about some of my favorite plugins again. So let's start with my new icons. This is my own plugin, and I use it for all my icon needs in mobile app, web app, everything. So it's very easy to use. It's available. Oh, it's fully open source and it's available everywhere. So yeah, try it out. Just search my new icons in your Figma plugin, and it's available as Figma file also, so you can see all the plugins there, all the icons there. So yeah, try it out. My new icon is probably my number one most used plugin because I use it literally in all my projects. And yeah, let's move on to text cutter. So this is a special one, I guess, because whenever you have some large chunk of text and you want to split that like this, so this should be in one line and this should be another line. I'll just use this plugin. So split text, and it just splits this into like 2 lines. So yeah, so now we have this 2 lines. So it's very useful when copy pasting like large volume of text somewhere, and yeah, it's one of my most used plugins here. Next, I have styles and variable organizer, which I already talked about. So this is used to manage my design system. So you can scan for all the variables used in this page, and anything that's not linked, you can just go in and check all the variables in this page, and you can link it to local variables or even team variables if you want. And yeah, same for string. String consists of like font weights and everything, and same for number. For border radius, width, everything, you can just go in and see everything that's been used here, and you can merge it. Next, we have select random layers. This is mostly used for like icons, so I can just select this one and do random, and it just select some random layers. This is mostly used for like landing pages if I'm working on some background patterns or things like that. This just works as a random selector for that, so I can randomly select something and add or delete that in that way. And HTML2 design, this is I mostly use this for if I generate something in V0, Lovable, or some generators. I need to bring them. If I need to bring them in Figma, I use HTML2 design. So you can go in and add your link here, and you can use the import whatever the link you want as Figma design. So this is just like whatever web sites you have, you can just download, and it gives like a clickable clickable thing for in Figma to use. Next, we have noise and texture. So this is mostly used for landing page background patterns and things like that. So this is a very nice plugin. It has like lots of customizable background colors, so you can just select some landing page and add this to the landing page or that frame, and it just works. So you can add something like this. You can have a background color of even darker, and this looks good for landing page headers and things like that. So yeah, try this out. It's very nice plugin, and it's very useful. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll leave the links for all this plugin in the description, and you can go in and check it out. That's it for today. Let me know if this walkthrough of plugin videos are helpful, and I'll make more. That's it for today. Bye bye.